Hello guys, how you are doing? Hope you are doing well. This is a vlogging GP, and I've got something to share with you. Yesterday I went to Heathrow Airport, and I was recording. I recorded this video, and to my surprise, when I came home, trying to put the video clips together, I noticed the volume. I noticed there was no sound, so I was just wondering why the volume not working. Something must have gone wrong. And to my surprise, I was using the mic yesterday, and unfortunately, it wasn't working. And yeah, so today, I hope you guys will just forgive me for not having that beautiful sound. Unfortunately, we can't hear that Rolls Royce engine. Here we have a 777 touch British Airways touching down a runway. Look, always Larry. Runway 27L, and this is a nice. Okay, lot, lot, lot became a pillar of salt. Okay, not in this case. Um, who's next? Yes, I think this is okay. This one is another 777 BA. Okay, as well. Um, I can just imagine. I heard what it sounded like when I was recording, but unfortunately now none of us can hear. So it is what it is, and I hope you will understand because we always like to hear that beautiful that Rolls Royce engine. Okay, this one is a 320, still a British Airways, as much as it doesn't have the um, same livery color coding, but it is. And I think, see, as well, all the buses and lorries. And is this a Dreamliner? Yeah, Virgin Atlantic. Um, can't get enough of these aircraft. Look, both lorries, too much, buses. Uh, yeah, but based on the location, I was at a location where I couldn't avoid the heavy traffic. It's an American airline, beautiful 777. And yesterday was a beautiful day, actually, and it was such a lovely day. And I was hoping to have a beautiful video. I don't think the video is too bad, but yeah, but it is what it is. Another 777. Yeah, try get a little bit closer. But as much as I was far away, but at least, yeah, right in the left corner there is a Etihad A380, and this is 350. I can't seem to see what air. Wow, I still can't. It's a Virgin, I believe. Yeah, Virgin Atlantic. So my glasses doesn't. I think I just need to change again. Go to the optician. All right. Um. See, lorries as usual. Uh huh. Can't get rid of those lorries, man. And yeah, quite yesterday was we had quite a few 777 yesterday. So yesterday was a 777 day. And most of them actually was BA, British Airways. And guys, please, as much as there's no sound, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please like the video as well. I know you guys will understand. This is just a bad day at the office. Things didn't go according to plan, but yeah, this is what a JetBlue. Yeah, and I think this is a 321 as well. Nice livery. Only if the sound was there. Anyway, so please subscribe, please like the video, please share, and don't forget to leave a comment. But always be respectful. And okay, here we have. I was walking, and that was just like over in my head, and I just tried to snap it, and that's where it came out. Here is a second one. See, quite a few. Okay, this one is a Dreamliner 787. Larry's as usual. Can't escape. And is this another 777? See, Turkish. So yesterday was a 777 day. And you know, 777, the engine is so loud. So can you imagine if we were hearing the those beautiful sound and engine over in our head? Okay. Look, what's this? 777, right? This is a record, Air Canada. Yes. I think that's for some reason I just like this. I like this livery. I like the color. So yeah, guys. Hopefully, and I will be doing a live stream tomorrow at Heathrow Airport. So this is a British area again, 787 Dreamliner. And so yeah, stay tuned for the live stream tomorrow, Heathrow Airport. Not quite sure what runway, but I just hope. I think what I'm gonna do, test the mic before, because the mic usually works. So what happened yesterday was, I don't know. So please subscribe. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a like.